How to add Vanilla Visa gift card to PayPal. Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel, and in this video I'm going to show you the easiest way to add your Vanilla Visa gift card to your PayPal account. So first of all, just open your PayPal account and just log into your account, and after that you will see the top menu where you will see the home icon, activity, get pay and get paid, marketing, growth and business tool, all these options. So in order to add your Vanilla Visa card, just click on pay and get paid. And here you will see these options. So just click on the banks and cards option under the payment method. Just click on it, and after that just scroll down, and here you will see the option to add credit and debit card. Just click on link a card, and here you have to enter the details of your Vanilla Visa gift card, which would be similar to your credit or debit card. So just enter your card number and the card type, and from the drop down menu just click on Visa and just click on link card. And this is how you will be able to add your Vanilla Visa gift card to your PayPal account. I hope you find this video to be helpful.
So that is it for this video. If you find this video to be helpful, make sure to hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more such informative videos, and I'll see you the next time.